I'm here today with a Honeylove try-on haul. I'm so excited. I changed up the backdrop today. I'm in my room because I'm doing loungewear pajamas, and I just thought that it would be appropriate to do it in my bedroom where I do all my lounging and my sleeping. So I am sharing today a few pajama pieces as well as two different tanks that I just absolutely love. You guys know I love Honeylove. It is one of my favorite brands right now. It's the only bras that I wear. I have tossed out all of my bras that I have owned over the years, and I only wear Honeylove bras because they are so comfortable. They're so supportive. They're smoothing, they're lifting. Amazing quality. I just love them. So they are hands down the only bra I use ever. They also have extremely comfortable underwear. They now have this beautiful loungewear in two different shades. They have the glacier and then the black color. They also have bodysuits and traditional shapewear. They have pants now. They have so much stuff. They're constantly expanding their line, which I love, and they're super innovative. Their pieces are beautiful. I have done 2 or 3 videos now with Honeylove, and so I'll link those so you can check those out as well. But I'm so excited to be partnering with Honeylove again to show you guys the new loungewear sets that are unbelievably soft and comfortable and airy and cooling, as well as a couple tanks. So if you want to see how all the pieces fit and a little bit about each of them, just stay tuned. Okay, so this is the sleep set in Glacier. This one is the mesh sleep cami. It does have adjustable straps, which is so nice and perfect. It also has these cooling mesh panels, which I think is like really cute and feminine, but it's also very practical for sleeping because you will stay nice and cool. It also has this really awesome cooling fabric. It feels very light and soft and airy, and as you can see, it's just kind of flowy. It also has a built-in shelf bra, so you don't need to wear a bra or anything. Again, you can adjust the straps. I love just this beautiful little meshy detail. So one really cool thing about the sleep set is it has a tinsel cooling fabric. It's really nice and cooling to the skin, so if you tend to sleep hot, this will be perfect for you. My husband and I are always arguing about the heat because he runs cold, I run really warm, and so something like this is so nice. It's just very loose and breathable and cooling and just really nice. And again, the little mesh inserts for a little bit of cute little femininity, but also practicality with, you know, the cooling factor as we head into the warmer summer months. And then these are the mesh sleep shorts. Both of these garments are in a size extra small. This is also that same tinsel cooling fabric. They're really nice and flowy. They also have a drawstring so you can tighten them as well. So I'll just show you here. Again, these are an extra small, and for reference, I'm typically like a size 26, and this is how the extra small fits. And I feel like they'll fit a very, quite a variety of sizes because they are super stretchy. I love how stretchy they are, but they don't dig, they don't, cut into your skin. They're very, very comfortable. I also like the length of them because they're not super short booty shorts. They have a nice length to them. I'm wearing mine a little bit more high-waisted. You can obviously wear them more on your hips, but for me personally, I prefer the high-waisted look. And they're very, very cute. Here's the bit from the back. And then this is what the tank looks like from the back too. It also does come in a beautiful black color as well. So you have either the Glacier, which is this gorgeous little feminine baby blue, or you have the black. And so now I'm gonna show you guys the other sleep garment. This is the mesh sleep chemise, and this is also in the Glacier. This is just a really cute little nightgown. It has that same beautiful little mesh detail that a lot of the Honeylove bras have. Some of their bras have that beautiful mesh detail, which I love. It just helps smooth everything. It's practical for the cooling effect, but also I just feel like, one, it's feminine, but two, it just really helps smooth out the boob area. And then it has the same little panels running down the front. It's that same tinsel cooling fabric, so it's very cooling and flowy. You do have the little band at the bottom too. For me, it hits just right above my knees. This also has a built-in shelf bra, which is great. And then it also has the adjustable straps, and then the back, it just cuts across straight in the back. But this is just so cozy, it's comfortable. So this is the mesh sleep chemise, and it's so cute. Again, this one also comes in the black color, but I love how it's still like, even though it's sleepwear, I feel like the girls are still lifted and smooth. This is flowy. It doesn't cling to like weird lumps and bumps. Like I feel like it's still very flattering while being like a little bit more flowy and less like constricting, you know? It just is really, really beautiful. So this is a close-up of what the fabric looks like. It's just so cute. I love these. Next, I'm sharing with you, this is the silhouette cami, and it has this really cool velvety crisscross 3D pattern, which is really, really beautiful. These cinch and snatch you in. I think all of their tanks now, and I love them. I'm now down to an extra small, which feels really good. I started out in a medium. When I started working with Honeylove, I was 3 months postpartum, and now I am down to an extra small. I am 1 year postpartum, and I just love these. They make you feel just so cinched and snatched and smoothed, and their tanks are some of my favorite. I literally wear their tanks multiple times a week. Their bras are the only bras I own. I've thrown out all my other bras. These are the only ones I own now. So the thing I love about it, this one has adjustable straps, so you can adjust them, which is really nice. I don't have them actually super tight. This fits pretty good. It has no underwire. It does have removable cup pads, but look how supported I look. You guys saw me in the pajamas with no bra, just the shelf bra from the pajamas. And then in this, like, it just lifts and smooths. I don't have like any weird bulging. It's very, very comfortable. There's no back fat. People tend to think that shapewear is really uncomfortable. This is not uncomfortable. I feel so supported, but I don't feel uncomfortable. I don't feel too constricted. I feel like I can still, you know, move and bend over and stand up, and I'm not constricted, but everything is like snatched and cinched. And I don't typically have like a waist. I'm a pretty like boxy kind of body type. Like I kind of just go, whoop. I don't have hips. And this just kind of gives me a little bit of an hourglass, like that cinched in look right here, which I don't typically have. See how this panel is like a little thinner of a fabric? It just really helps it lay nicely over your backside and smooths. You can see the back there. See that velvet detail in the back? I just feel like that really helps cinch everything in and just makes it look so nice and snatched. It like snatches your back, it makes your booty pop, it cinches in your waist. It kind of does a lot of things for me. It lifts the girl, cinches the waist, and pops the booty. Like, what more could we want? All right, guys, that is it for the try on haul. Thank you again, Honeylove, for partnering with me on this video. Thank you to you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Also, down in the description box below will be a coupon code to save you some money on your Honeylove pieces. I do get a lot of Instagram messages asking if I do have a Honeylove code, and I do, so it'll be linked down below, so make sure you check that out. If you've tried Honeylove, what are some of your favorite pieces? Let us know down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!